Good morning, children. Today we will be doing the remaining part of your chapter number 2, the inauspicious justice. Children, इस chapter में we have studied that there's instance given about Akbar and Birbal. We all know who was Akbar. He was an emperor. He was a very wise and justice giving emperor, and Birbal was one of his courtiers. All right. So one day, Akbar was not having a very good day, and he thought that one of the hawker was the was the reason of his bad day. So that's why let's see what he does to the hawker. Okay, हमने यहाँ तक पढ़ा था. Next day he called a meeting. He ordered his men to search for the hawker and sentence him to death. Oh my god, that's a big punishment. Now, sentence him to death का मतलब है कि उसको फांसी दे दी जाए. Sentence him to death means to send him to death. Alright. So, Akbar thought that his disappointment was caused by that he was having that disappointment because of the face of the hawker. So he thought that why not to sentence him to death only and finish the problem for all and for once. All right. The poor hawker surprised and shocked at being sent. The poor hawker surprised and shocked. I'll zoom in for you. The poor hawker, surprised and shocked at being sent to the gallows, begged for a meeting with Birbal before being hanged. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ children? Gallows is the place where we जहाँ पे फांसी लगती है उसको gallows कहते हैं. See here. Gallows, a structure where people are killed by hanging. Okay, that is a gallows. Okay, so when the hawker got to know that okay मेरे को फांसी मिलने वाली है, then he requested, he begged, उसने भीख मांगी for a meeting with Birbal before being hanged. ठीक है, before being hanged का मतलब क्या हुआ? Hanging से पहले. Before being hanged means hanging से पहले. Okay, he said that I want to meet Birbal before being hanged. Let's see what does the meeting has outcome. Okay, Birbal came to meet him. Soon the day of his hanging arrived and the executioner asked him his last wish. Executioner वो होता है जल्लाद जिसे कहते हैं ना, जो फांसी देता है उसको हम एग्जीक्यूशनर कहते हैं, जो एग्जीक्यूट करता है. एग्जीक्यूट से ही बना है एग्जीक्यूशनर. जो एग्जीक्यूट करता है वो एग्जीक्यूशनर होता है. एग्जीक्यूट करना क्या है? एक वर्ब है. एग्जीक्यूशनर क्या है? नाउन है. ओके, alright. The hawker said that he wished to make proclamation to the people of the city. Proclamation. What is proclamation? Proclamation is a public announcement. See here. He wanted to do a proclamation. जब उससे उसका पूछा गया, okay, let's get again. एक बार दोबारा से करते हैं इसको. When Birbal met the hawker, okay, and soon ही उसका hanging का date आ गया. Hanging date arrived soon. And the executioner ने उससे पूछा last wish क्या है तुम्हारा? So the hawker said that he wished to make a proclamation to the people of the city. That means जो हॉकर था उसने कहा कि मुझे एक प्रोक्लेमेशन करना है टू द पीपल ऑफ द सिटी. प्रोक्लेमेशन क्या होता है? एक पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट करना है. मैं पब्लिक के बीच में कुछ अनाउंस करना चाहता हूँ. दैट वॉज द हॉकर्स लास्ट विश. ओके चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस. He wished to warn them not to see the emperor's face early in the morning or else they would be sentenced to the gallows just like him. इस लाइन का क्या मतलब हुआ चिल्ड्रन कि ही वॉन्टेड टू मेक द व्हाट वाज द प्रोक्लेमेशन, दिस वाज द प्रोक्लेमेशन, जो मैंने ब्रैकेट में किया है ये है वो प्रोक्लेमेशन, ओके, ये है वो पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट जो कि हॉकर करना चाहता था. ही वॉन्टेड टू से he wanted to tell everyone that please do not watch the emperor's face in the morning, otherwise you will be hanged just like him. Okay, the executioner was surprised at this unique request and informed the here it was a unique request. Generally people कुछ बोलते हैं कि मुझे इनसे मिलना है, मुझे उनसे मिलना है, या फिर मैं यहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ, जो भी होगा लास्ट विश. बस ये वाला लास्ट विश कुछ अलग सा ही था, राइट. सो जो एग्जीक्यूशनर था उसने एम्परर को बताया इसके बारे में. अकबर इमीडिएटली सेंट फॉर द हॉकर. सेंट फॉर द हॉकर मीन्स आस्क्ड द हॉकर टू कम. ऑलराइट. सो जैसे ही पता चला अकबर को कि वो ये प्रोक्लेमेशन करना चाहता है, he asked to see the hawker. The courtiers were surprised to see him free the hawker and give him a bag of gold coins. Now, see, courtiers were surprised to see him set free the hawker. See him, see whom? See Akbar. Free the hawker and give him a bag of gold coins. जब एग्जीक्यूशनर ने पूछा कि तुम्हारी लास्ट विश क्या है और हॉकर ने कहा कि मैं प्रोक्लेमेशन करना चाहता हूँ दैट नो वन शुड सी एम्प्रस फेस अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और एल्स ही वुड बी सेंटेंस टू डेथ और सेंट टू गैलोस. उसके बाद अकबर हॉकर को बुलाते हैं टू सी हिम एंड देन वो उसको फ्री कर देते हैं और वो उसको एक गोल्ड कॉइन्स का बैग भी देते हैं. एंड ऑल द कोर्टियर्स आर सरप्राइज्ड टू सी दिस थिंग कि उन्होंने उसको फ्री भी कर दिया और गोल्ड कॉइन्स भी दे दिए. ओके. अकबर हैड रियलाइज्ड दैट दिस प्रोक्लेमेशन कुड ओनली हैव बीन थॉट बाय बीरबल. अकबर को ये समझ आ गया था कि बीरबल ने ही ये प्रोक्लेमेशन तैयार किया हो सकता है. ऑलराइट. बिकॉज let's see, he immediately thanked him for preventing an innocent person's hanging. That means, now see children, just because आपका दिन ख़राब गया है आप किसी को भी ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते इसके बारे में, राइट. सो सिमिलरली अकबर का अगर दिन ख़राब गया था तो इसमें हॉकर की कोई गलती नहीं थी, राइट. बिकॉज हिज he did mistakes or events turned up like that, his day was not good. So the moral of the incident here is that you should not blame anyone for your mistakes or for your hardships. Hardships matlab hard times. Alright. So this, this is the what I just said was the moral of the story that we just read here. Okay. And also now see, let's read in the book. अकबर ने उसको सेट फ्री कर दिया. देन ही थैंक्ड बीरबल दैट यू सेव्ड मी फ्रॉम हैंगिंग एन इनोसेंट पर्सन. ओके. एंड ओपनिंग हिज आइज टू द इनजस्टिस ऑफ हिज ऑर्डर. जो उसने ऑर्डर दिया था अकबर ने दैट उसको फांसी पे चढ़ा दो, इट वॉज वेरी मच इनजस्टिस बिकॉज हॉकर वॉज नॉट एट फॉल्ट. वॉट इज़ द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी चिल्ड्रन? आई विल जस्ट जूम एंड टेल यू that no one should blame anyone else for their hardships. Okay? Or bad times. This is your moral of the story. Okay? Always remember this. Now children, I want all of you to do this comprehension exercise on your own, and tomorrow in the next class I will give you the answers for all of these questions. So don't worry, but I want all of you to write the answers on your own and get it checked by me. Thank you so much, children. That's it for today. You have to do the whole comprehension exercise, part A, part B, and part C on the next page. Here. You have to do these three parts as your homework. Try to do it on your own. Try to read the chapter. Try to find out the questions. If any problems, you can ask me, and I will give you answers for this, so don't worry about it. But I want all of you to do it on your own. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day.